Okay, now we're gonna download the VirtualBox. We're gonna need the VirtualBox. That application is free to download. We're gonna need it to install our operating system, our virtual operating system. So VirtualBox is free to download and free to use. What you need to do is open Google search engine and just type VirtualBox. Okay, the first link that comes up, you can see that I've been there before. I tested it. So Oracle Vm Virtualbox. You go to that website. On the left here we have downloads. You can see about screenshots, any more new information that you want to learn about VirtualBox is here. But it's a great thing that it's free to download, free to use. It's great for learning. So in here we're gonna need to download. We press download VirtualBox. We choose the platform that we're going to use. The one that we need is Windows, so click on x86 AMD64. The download is going to take about a minute, 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, VirtualBox has finished downloading. Now to access the download, press the down arrow and say show in folder. We can see the VirtualBox 4.3.6 has been downloaded. I can right click that and say run as administrator. Okay, yeah, agree on the user account control. Okay, they will see a like a wizard that starts to install the VirtualBox. This installation is next, finish. Let's just go through it. Next. I will keep everything. I wouldn't change any of these features. Click next, then next again, yes, and install. Okay, VirtualBox has finished installing. I want to start a bit later. Just untick that and say finish. Minimize everything, and the VirtualBox icon will appear like that, so you get to see it. When you're ready to run the VirtualBox, you just double click and start VirtualBox. VirtualBox Manager will open. In here we don't have any machines. When we install the machines, they will appear on the left here, on the left screen. First we can do some configuration. So VirtualBox Media Manager, and we can configure here if we have a hard disk or optical disk available. Nothing here at the moment, so just close that. And then we preferences. First you can choose the default machine folder where your machine will be stored. So for me it's here, C :/users /trainers /virtual VMs. Input here will you can change the shortcuts. Updates, when you want to check for updates for the VirtualBox, check for updates maybe once a week. Then language, choose the language that you want to use. English built-in. Display, we can choose automatic or you can choose none. Maximum guest screen, this is for virtual machines. Network, there's no network by default, so you have to add them. Here's because I had installed VirtualBox before, so this network appear. VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. But on when you install it for first time VirtualBox, there's nothing gonna appear here. So you just click on the plus, so you add the network card. Okay, I did pause the video a little bit because it does take a long time for the network to be added. Well, not long time, like 15 to 20 seconds, so for us it's a long time. Anyway, I don't want 2 adapters, so I'm gonna delete this one, adapter 2, just a minus, remove. Again, I'm gonna pause the video. Right. Okay, a few seconds is a long time for us. So I'll pause it, back again, go to extension, there's nothing here, and if you have proxy, you will have to enable the proxies. Okay, we're done. Just click OK. From now on, we can start installing the virtual machines. So when you're ready to install the virtual machine, just click new, and then you type the virtual machine name and so on. Later on I will tell you how to download this virtual machine, like what we're gonna use for our Microsoft training. We're gonna download Windows Server 2012 R2, Windows 8.1, and any other operating system. These two, Microsoft gives you 180 days evaluation time, so it's great enough time for our training. Okay, this has been Astrid Krasniqi helping you, showing you how to download and install VirtualBox. Thank you and bye.